At Camo, we wanted to create the most valuable and ideal courses that we could possibly think of. We started nowhere other but looking at personal experience as well as statistics to help bring you with the most amount of value that we could possibly think of to get you not only outside of the hospital, not only at home, but for you to enjoy your life and also live life. Now, I say those last two things very confidently because I could say right off the bat, when I was in the bed and when I was figuring things out and I was looking at my scenarios, I didn't think I could enjoy life and I didn't think I could have a life. But I'm here to show you and tell you that you can. And with Camo and with our courses, we are here to guide you and support you every step of the way to get you to that point and get you to your goal. Now, we start with 3 pillars. One of them being all of our courses are completely through e-learning, meaning you can do it at anywhere at any time. That means there's no pressure for when you're at home or when you're in the hospital or when you're with your friends. It does not matter. If you want to do your courses, if you want to log on to Camo, it is right there all the time. Number 2 is we wanted to create a community. Now, I could say this confidently because without a community, I didn't have a reason, I didn't have a why to even leave or even to look forward to getting out of the hospital. I knew when I got home that I had friends. I knew when I got home that I had people that cared for me and loved for me and wanted to be there to support me and help me get better. Now at Camo, we bring that same approach, but we bring it in the theme of a Discord server, which means when you download the course, you also get a free Discord link to countless individuals, countless programs within one server where you guys can all communicate and all support each other who are going through similar circumstances, which brings connection and belonging, which are the 2 biggest crucial factors that kept me sick. Now, number 3 and the last one is this course is very short. It can be completed within 4 days. Now, with that being said, do I encourage you to rush? No. I encourage you to take all the information step by step, slowly, and let it really sink in, really bathe in it, and really embrace it so you can have the best effect from this information. Thank you. No.